Alright, algebra. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing like terms. This is basically simplifying expressions, and when you simplify expression, you put it in the simplest form. You already pretty much know how to do that, so we're not going to go over the whole lesson. I might do some examples, but the main thing I want to concentrate on are like terms. So like terms, what are they? A like term are terms that contain the same variables to the same power. Now, terms of an expression are parts that are added and subtracted. So anything that's added or subtracted is a term. So, you've already gone over this in 7th grade pre-AP, but I'm going to show you some more. Here's some examples. X plus X is a like term. It's like doing apples plus apples. How many x's do you see? Well, you have 1 plus 1. So that is 2 x's. And that's collecting like terms. So if we had 2x plus 3x, it's like saying 2 apples plus 3 apples is 5 apples. But instead we have x's. This is collecting like terms. Anything added or subtracted together to give me a like term. Here's something that's not a like term. What if I had 3x plus y? Well, these are not like terms. So you can't collect them. You can't put them together. So the way that you would make this equal, the simplest form you can put it in, is just 3x plus y, because you don't know what else to do with it. It's done. Now, if you had 3x plus 2 plus x, you can collect this x and this 3x. The 2 is it's not like a term. It's not like a term? Wow. It's not a like term. Whew, long day. So, the 2 goes here because you can't do anything with it. It keeps its sign, goes with it, and you add the 3x and the x. So that makes 4 x's. These are not like terms, so you can't put them together. Let me show you another example. 3x squared is not a like term with 3x because they don't have the same power. This one has a 1 power and that one has a 2 power. They have to have the same power. So these can get pretty complicated. You could actually get something like this. Alright, so look. This one has an x and y. So you're going to look for another x and y because that's a term. Here's another xy. They have the same powers, so you can combine them. So you get 5xy. Now these are not like terms to these, so you can't put them with these. However, you can put them together because they're both x's and they both have a 2 power. So what's negative 3 and negative 4 put together? That is 7. Negative 7x squared. And that's it. That's the simplest form. You can't put these two together because they're not like terms. And that's what we're going to review. Now, y'all should know how to do that. So I'm looking forward to doing it with y'all and doing a little bit creative problems with y'all. And that's pretty much it for this lesson. Have a good weekend.